Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom, 5-star rated, over 5,000 reviews, guaranteed we beat Home Depot and Lowe's. The nation's largest discount appliance dealer, over 24 stores in 3 states. Visit us at ApplianceFactory.com.
Hi Colorado, this is Clee Crocker. I'm here once again at Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom. So what do I have for you this week? Well, we got some exciting news. I want to put you ahead of a promotion that's about to start. This is JennAir, and as you know, JennAir is a luxury line. It is the highest level you can go to within all the Whirlpool brands. So it goes Whirlpool, Maytag, KitchenAid. Above KitchenAid is JennAir. And so what's the big deal? Well, we just bought a full load of these. I mean, we got a lot. And it's going to come out for Labor Day, the Labor Day time period, which starts on August the 26th. So here's the great thing. It's a dishwasher. Now, why is this dishwasher so timely? Well, we know that at this point, KitchenAid is having a hard time staying in stock. We know that Bosch, one of the favorite brands for America, staying in stock. I mean, there's an argument between KitchenAid and Bosch, which one's better. And you can look at either side and win. But what's better than a KitchenAid? Well, a JennAir. And that's what's so great about this, is because of all the auto stocks and how premium and good and nice the JennAir product is. Well, when they have a deal on a dishwasher, I want you to know about it. So what's so good about this? Well, let's talk about that. This, by the way, is, let me give you the model number. It is a JDTSS246GM. And again, that's JDTSS246GM. And this week's deal is right here. So it is integrated, which means that all your controls are on the top. And the way you do this is you set all the different things you want to set, hit start, and shut it, and it will turn on from there. Or you can set it for delay start, and it comes on later on, however long you set it for. So these are really nice because it maintains a nice, clean look on the front of the dishwasher, but you don't get all that mess. Now, and by mess, I mean buttons on the front. It's got a nice, sturdy handle here. When we open it inside, you can see it's a stainless steel interior, which is really common nowadays, but what you may not know is stainless steel dishwashers actually help with creating a sound barrier. So with stainless steel, they're able to put mastic on the backside of this thing. That, along with its insulation, really helps absorb the sound. So this one, it's not noisy at all. I mean, a really quiet dishwasher would be in the low 50s. Well, this one is a 38 dBA. 38, that is, I mean, there's no way you're going to hear that. I'd be really surprised if you could. I know I certainly couldn't. So this is going to be doing all the work in the world. It's going to be very, very quiet. 38 dBs. Then when we look on the inside, it's got one of my favorite features. It's got the third rack that people don't think about. And these are removable trays. So you fill this up with your cutlery, your knives, your forks, your spoons, and you can take it right to the sink or right to the where your cutlery and your silverware is kept. It's so convenient that you'll like this, as this is a third rack and it's got 2 removable trays here. So you just slide it in out of the way. Then if we look at your top rack, it's got things to hold small parts in there, which is kind of nice, so that will come with it. It's got these here that fold down, so that allows you to put your stemware in there, your tall cups with the stems on them. It keeps it from moving around. And then it's got these things can come out of the way, or you can lift them up. And this is a bottle washer. You would put this right inside a bottle, or put the bottle right over it, and that'll clean the inside of the bottles. For those of you that have babies and you have bottles, or you have sport drinks and you have bottles, this is going to save you a lot of time. And then we also have this as an adjustable rack. So this rack right now is this tall, but let's say I had taller things I wanted to put on the top here. I could lower it like that. And it's real easy because I just got these buttons that snap and pull them up if I wanted something higher that's on the bottom. And speaking of the bottom, here's the bottom. Again, we have things here that can hold stemmed items, but also you can put things like large knives or large spoons are sitting right on the top. And on the inside, we have foldable tines that will move around here. I mean, this is a very nice, it's large, it's beautiful on the inside, on the bottom. If we look all the way to the bottom, look at that. On the very bottom, this thing has got the 4 spray arms. It's got the best filtration that I know of in the market. It's real easy. Right down here, this thing will actually twist and pull out so you can clean that out. I mean, it's a great piece. Also, look at this. Notice I can't get this out. It's because it's got these rails in here to keep you from accidentally knocking your rack off of the door here. I hate that when you accidentally knock a rack off and then you're going to try to get it in the right spot. This one keeps it locked down and nice, even, smooth line. This is the top of the line. This is one of those dishwashers that go for around $2,000. But what's the big deal for Labor Day? Well, I'm expecting this to go about $1,000 off. So keep an eye on Appliance Factory Mattress Kingdom this Labor Day. Take a look for this one and get an unbelievable deal. And guess what? It's in stock.
Online or locally, save at ApplianceFactory.com. Click the link to learn more.